Hello. Right, my bestest buddy bought me a Spirograph. Thank you, Mark. Last year for my birthday. In fact, just a year ago. Although I don't know when we're releasing this because Mick's going away to America again for work. So, yeah, April. Anyway, he got me one, and I was messing around on envelopes, just getting to know it basically. And these are the faulty ones. That had, things wrong, went lopsided, didn't get finished. In fact, you did a few as well, didn't you? I think yours were more perfect ones. Typical. Well, my old balls wobble everywhere, don't they? Right, so basically I coloured them in with transparent inks, India and acrylic inks. Some of them I think I just did like solid bits, and then some of them were wet and I dabbled other colours in just to give them an overall colour theme, shall we say. And this was a wipe off page with pale red and pinky burgundy, sort of very dilute acrylic paint. I did a bit of stamping over it to obscure the text underneath, then scraped some gesso over the top, let it dry. Now I'm arranging the flowers, well, what will be flowers, and I matte medium them down in place. I think one of them I end up chopping in little bits and putting around the edges. Yeah, that green one above my thumb I think were a different colour, and I coloured each bit in different. That bit that I've just gone past were the same bit of it, the red bit at the bottom. I think the blue one up at the top in the middle at the right as well was the same piece. Not right sure about that. Anyway, does it really matter? These are posca pens, thank you Mick. And what I'm doing is I'm colouring the very tip of some petals that I've drawn with a black posca pen, just colouring the very tip in with whatever colour I decide, and then wetting it back in towards a flower. This one I'm doing it the opposite way. I'm colouring in the base nearest the flower and moving it outwards, and I'd already done the blue petals the opposite way with the lighter blue. So the lighter blue on the outside swept into the centre, darker blue on the inside swept out to the end of the petals. It's just a different way of using posca pens. If you don't do too much and then wet it before it's actually dried, it gives you nice effects, like you can blend really well with them and stuff. And I think there I'd scribbled a bit of posca on my mat at the side, added a drip of water, and we're just experimenting with shadows. This is when I got into experimenting with shadows big time. I started playing and trying to get things to look at different angles and stuff. Anybody who's been watching my videos recently have seen, that I am playing a lot with shadows. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like it. Don't forget to tell me what you think in comments. Give me a thumbs up. Share it somewhere if you've got somewhere to share it. It'd be much appreciated. Not being able to do things like that myself. Yeah. Don't know what else to say apart from thank you, Mark, for the gift from my childhood years. I did a video and we lost the video. If not, if we can't find the video of the actual box, because it's like from 70s, from when I was a kid. I like that green one there. It looks like a donut in centre with shading on it. Yeah, we'll have to show you. It's. I don't know how we managed to find such a complete set. I was really pleased, excited about getting it. And yeah, I'll be playing with it more. So thanks for watching and take care. Bye.